Guys, welcome back. And this is a smartphone, though right now it's looking less smart because of all the cracks. So the power button is dead. The entire electronic strip, it has been worked on before, but let's see if we can give it another set of life. Does it have power? Battery?
Yeah.
Does the battery have power?
Yeah, it has.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure.
Okay. So you're wondering whom Patrick is? It's the owner of this phone, or the person who has delivered it for repair. So first things first, we are measuring voltage of the battery. So we put the multimeter in voltage mode, maximum voltage of 20 because we are measuring up to about 4 volts. So it's at 3.8. That's roughly 70% of charge. Like I always told you, when the battery is fully charged, normally it reads about 4.1 volts. When it's at 0%, it tends to read about 3.4 volts. And that's that. So let's get right to the inside. I know opening is simply a mundane process, so you can always forward just till the point when we are right inside. But yeah, and clockwise is opening, clockwise is closing. And so just in case you're a new person at repair, I'll show you how to open in this part. But if you already know these and you simply want to get to the gist of the problem, then watch along with me. You call this pop 2?
Yeah, pop to around something.
Ah.
How is it called?
Oh, actually there's a person who sent me a WhatsApp message